How is it going? I am here for another Grandma3 video. I appreciate everyone that has been giving me feedback and letting me know about the other videos too. Shout out you guys. And I look forward to taking your ideas and making some more videos for you guys. So what we're going to be talking about today is groups within MA3, how to go about getting your first groups created, what I like to do, and just some tips and tricks. I know a lot of people open up MA3 and they see this first screen and get very intimidated. I learned that it's a lot like MA2. I picked up on it really quick, and hopefully you guys can too. So we're going to dive into some groups today. I'm going to be creating groups with the fixtures that I patched in my last video. I did make a couple changes to that video. To now, there'll be a few things different, but if you're following along, should be no issue. And we're going to dive right in. So what we need to do, guys, is we need to create a layout page here so we can just see our groups and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click in the top left corner, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to go to data pools, and we're going to select groups, guys. So here's our first set of groups. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over, and we'll go about halfway. That's what we'll do, guys. And then in the other half of the screen, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create, let's see here, a fixture sheet. That way I can see all my fixtures that we patched in. So right now, guys, I have my fixture sheet and I have my groups page, and we're going to dive right in and we're going to start making some groups. So the easiest group to make is going to be, let's get these names. I'm going to select the first fixture. I'm going to scroll all the way down, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and hit shift, and I'm going to go ahead and select all these fixtures all the way up. So I have all these fixtures now, guys, and we are going to come over to here. Alright, and from here we will store this, guys, right there. First group, let's go ahead and clear everything out. Alright, clear, and we have our first group, guys, and this will select all of our fixtures. Perfect. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type rename. Alright, awesome. Clear. And now I have a group for all my fixtures, guys. So we'll clear out of here. And from there, the next group I'm going to go ahead and make is I'm going to make a group for the Vipers. So the easiest way to do that, guys, I'm going to select the first Viper, the second Viper for the upstage. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to get my downstage Vipers too. Let's go ahead and hit shift. So we have all the Vipers now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type store. And we're going to store it right next to all. And that'll be our second group. And then after that, I'm going to type rename. Label. Alright, guys, and after that, I am going to type label. I'm going to select group. And I'm going to go ahead and label this group as Vipers. Let's go ahead and clear out. And now this will select my Vipers. So I have a group of my 4 Vipers now. So I got all my fixtures and I got my Vipers. Let's go ahead and move on to our next group. I'm going to do a group for all of our Sharpies, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to come through, we're going to select all of our Sharpies, And I'm going to go ahead and type store. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and type store. We're going to store it right here next to the Vipers. We are going to type label, and we are going to label this Sharpies. Alright, go ahead and clear out. So we got our Vipers, we got our Sharpies. We need to go ahead and make one for our BIs. So let's go ahead and select these BIs. And same sort of deal, guys. We are going to go ahead and type store. Next to the Sharpies, we can type label BIs. Sweet, and last but not least, we can go ahead and get our color strikes. Let's go ahead and type store. Let's go ahead and type label. Color strikes. Actually, let's put a space here. Label color strikes. Let's go ahead and clear. Alright guys, so we now have a set of groups. We have 5 groups here, and these will be our fixture groups. So we've created groups specific towards the fixtures that we will have on the rig. So if I go ahead and select color strikes and you come over here to fixtures, you'll see that all of our color strikes have been selected. Now we have a group of color strikes. If you go ahead and select BIs, Sharpies, and Vipers, you'll see that all light up over here because we now have all of our lights selected. So we're going to clear out of this. What I want to do next, guys, is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create groups based on trusses. So if it's on our upstage truss, we're going to select all of these. We're going to go ahead and we're going to store. And we're going to label this one upstage truss. Let's go ahead and clear out. We're going to come down. We're going to do the mid-stage truss. Same thing here, guys. So we're going to go over here. We're going to select our fixtures. We're going to go ahead and type store. Put this one here. Label mid-stage truss, and then we're going to go ahead and clear out, and last but not least, we are going to take our downstage truss. So another way to do it, guys, if you don't want to click through like I've been doing, you can go ahead and you can just select all of them. And we're going to go ahead and store, label, and this will be our downstage truss. So, same type of deal, guys. We're going to go ahead and hit downstage. We can see our whole downstage has been selected. And since each set of light is in the downstage, they will all light up yellow to let you know that the lights are in use. And the same type of deal, if we select main stage and upstage, all will go green because all of our lights are in effect. So, some other groups you can go ahead and create. We can do one here. Let's go ahead and clear out. And if we want to make a group, guys, just for our upstage Sharpies, we can do that as well. Store. Come over here to Sharpie. We'll label it upstage Sharpie. And that's how you guys would do that. So if we want to make them specific for whatever truss they're on, we can make separate ones as well. We can make groups for odds and evens if you want to make effects that are going to be going back and forth You can do odd Sharpies, even Sharpies, which will allow more effect dynamics later on. We'll get into all that. But for our basic groups, guys, we have our fixture groups and our groups by truss. That's really all you need to get started. What I really want to do in the next video is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get these fixtures put into 3D, and we're going to take these groups and we're going to move some lights around in 3D, and very soon here I want to start programming some shows, time coding some stuff to some lights, and making some cool stuff. So we're starting with the basics, but we're going to move along quickly here, guys, and I'm hoping to bring you guys some really cool stuff. So thanks for showing up to the groups video. I hope this helped, and I'll see you soon. Peace.